This is Vasu Deshpande from Easylib on 21st of February 2020. Happy Maharashivratri to all of you. In the next few minutes, I would give an overview of some of the features in Easylib that help you improvise data quality. The first one I am going to show is how you can get the data directly onto your accession register given an ISBN. So for that you would go to Home, under Catalog and Accessioning, go to the accession register and you type the ISBN. So here I have already typed and I should click on Get the data from Union Catalog. It connects to Google Union Catalog and gets the data and populates on the screen. So this ensures that there are no spelling mistakes, as well as you get the data which is already cataloged at Google. Okay, so once you are satisfied with this, you say modify this record, or you manually modify and then save it. There are other screens related to data quality. One of them is related to merging the titles. So here, when you find that there are a few titles, let's go and check it out. Okay, what this screen is saying is that World Trade Organization, this is the title of the book. There are total 2 titles. So they are potentially 2 copies of the same title, but in the database they have been cataloged as 2 separate titles. If you think they are same, then you can opt to merge them. Let's see the one that has got 146 titles for the same title rather. So here everything is same: title, subject, the publisher, and author, which is going to come over here. If all of them are same, what you can do is you can choose those things that you want to merge, and 5 copy and 1 copy and 1 copy, and let's say this is the correct record. You copy this, and whatever you want to merge, select those particular records and say merge titles. Then you put the title number, which is the accession number of the correct copy of the book, and say submit. So now it's merged. So if you see over here, instead of showing 142 titles which are potentially duplicate titles, now it is showing 142 because we have merged the rest of them. Okay, the very first line which was showing about 5 or 6 copies now shows about 9 copies. So this is how you can improvise the catalog entry quality. Now let's see what can be done related to the publishers. Let's go to title statistics and see how the data related to publishers looks. I'll go to title statistics screen, which is under cataloging. Now let me check publishers and say list. Let's see. So now while cataloging, you have cataloged that books belong to these following publishers. Let's see. So Ahmedabad Textile Industries Association, Industry and Research, probably all these 4 are the same publishers, but during the data entry you have entered them slightly differently. So they are all showing as different publishers. So let's do one thing, we'll pick up the most correct one, Ahmedabad Textile Industry Research Association. That's what we want to merge that as. Okay. So now you want to, how do you merge these titles? You go to again cataloging screen, go to the cataloging menu, you go to setup menu. Under that there is merge publishers option. You click on this. So now let me search on Ahmedabad textile, right? Okay, so I am seeing here all of these are same. Okay, so I am going to select all these 4 and I need to choose the correct one to which they all need to be merged to. So Ahmedabad, let me go and check. Okay, so out of this seems to be the most correct one. So I'll say merge publishers. So are you sure you want to merge publishers? Because when you say yes, it's going to find all the books which are by any of these four publishers and merge all of them onto one single publisher. It's going to do the same thing for periodicals, ebooks, journals, and other material that you have got belonging to any of these four publishers. So now I say okay. All right, now everything is merged. Okay, let's see here. Now this is the screen, the list of potential publishers. So let's go and type again here Ahmedabad. See, I see only one entry here. Now let's go and find whether the number of titles have been merged. Okay, this is the report that was generated before I merged them. So let me try to generate the same report once again. I'll go to home and then catalog and accessioning, and I'll go to the title statistics screen, get the same report, titles by publisher, let me say a list, and I'm seeing here again here let me type Ahmedabad. Oh wait, so this is one screen which uses this refresh data feature. The reason why we have this refresh data feature is that to speed up the reporting, we build something called a denormalized table. So anytime you do major changes, you want to click on this refresh button, which will go and refresh the data for easier and faster reporting. It may take a minute, it's worth the wait. Okay, so now I have refreshed it. Let me do the listing again here now. And let me go here and type Ahmedabad. Let's see what happens. See, there is only one entry, Ahmedabad Textile Industry Research Institute Association. That's what we merged, and probably even this also needs to be merged. Let's do it in the next round. But let's see, this is 42 titles it shows, and let's compare it with the report that was generated before the merger happened. Let's see, 4 plus 1 5, 5 and 36 41, and the last one 42. So 42 titles. Let's go and see whether it's 42 titles here. Yes, that's 42. You can verify whether the data is correct for these also, and it will be. Now you can also find similar publisher names, and if you think that they all need to be merged, you can go to this merge publisher screen and merge it. Then we got another module, that's a data quality improvement module. Here you click on it, you will see the ability to do mass updates. So let's say you want to change the department for a few books. So 000, 100, 000, 101, 000, 106, 000, 200. Let's say all these four titles are the accession numbers. You want to set the department as electrical and electronics, you just change, say, update it. Okay, so now all the four books are updated at a time. So for the junior or the newly joined staff, you can give access to these screens. And if you would like to do make use of the much more powerful mass update screen, then again you would go to data quality improvement module over here in Easylib and click on mass update. So here I can type one accession number at a time or another one, or I can give a range. Okay, so all of these are now listed, and if you'd like to update all these into something, You can just select, let's say for example, all of these belong to publisher HarperCollins, just a sample one. Okay, let me pick up the update. So now all of these are now have Harcourt India Publications as the publisher. So you also have one more feature. You can list all the accession numbers for which you would like to do the bulk updates. You can put them in a notepad and then import that notepad into this. So when you click on this, it gives an ability to import the notepad. Then all of these are listed. If you would like to try, you can try it out and then let us know the feedback. So there are a few other screens under the data quality management. As I record these videos, I also encourage you to feel free to pause them and also parallelly try it out on your database or the test database, which is available at demo.easylib.net. The URL again is demo.easylib.net. All our clients will have access to this demo.easylib.net, and here you can feel free to update the data because it's not going to affect your production at all. Okay, now going back to the data quality improvement screen, you already have it open. These are the other things. So how many books are there with no title or the less number of characters in the title? How many don't have authors? What are the ones with no class number, no ISBN, no publisher year and place, with no location, and the ones which are already archived? Okay, and you would like to move it back, you can move it back in another screen. Or titles with no copies. For example, if you have cataloged a particular book and then decided all the copies associated with that, then it's an orphan title. So you would like to just archive it back. You can just select those things, or you can select all of them and then say move to archive list. The reason why this is automatically not moved to archive list is that to give you the ability to add copies whenever you get those titles once again. So overall, this is the data quality improvement module, and Easylib is most open to take your feedback. And when you would like to give more feedback on the software, you just click on the support button, which is on the top right corner, and add a new ticket. Say I showed you how to merge the publishers. Let's say there is no merger for vendors. So if you need, you just click on new ticket. So need vendor merger screen. Please provide a screen to merge different vendors that are showing as different vendors due to small spelling mistakes, even though they are all the same. So this is an enhancement. You want to mark it as an enhancement. Leave the rest of the fields as is, and choose the product as a data quality improvement, Easylib 6.2a, and data quality improvement is what you want to choose, and submit. So once you submit this, it gets into the Easylib tickets database, and you also get a message that so and so ticket has been opened, and you will be able to track the list of tickets that you have opened, what is the status of each of them, and so on. That's about it for now on the data quality improvement. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you.